Hello, welcome back to my kitchen laboratory. Today we're going to talk about chemical luminescence or chemiluminescence. A perfect example of this is glow sticks or those glow neck things or glow wands, or there's a plethora of them. So basically what this is a chemical reaction occurs, and instead of releasing heat or other byproducts, a light is released. And yep. Looking at glow sticks, since they're the easiest to get our hands on for our kitchen experiment, we can look at a glow stick like this. The way it works is that it has an inner capsule filled with one liquid and an outer one filled with another one. So when you bend it, the inner one breaks and the two chemicals mix. So that's why when you shake it or put it in the freezer, it kind of slows or increases the chemical reaction time. Shaking mixes better, putting it in the freezer slows the reaction. Getting into the sciencey part of it, you can find this equation thing. If you understand this, great, more power to you. If you don't, we got a cool complex molecule here with hydrogen peroxide. When they mix, it makes this molecule and this other cool molecule here. This molecule mixes with the dye to make two CO2 molecules, an energized dye. The energized dye then gives off light to become normal dye. So what have I done to show you this great, cool thing? I took a glow stick and then I cut it apart and I took out the inner capsule here. I wouldn't really recommend this at home. It was really complicated and I thought I was going to cut myself because it's thick plastic, and it says so on the box to not break it. And so inside in here, you probably can't see it, there's what I imagine is hydrogen peroxide, and this is the dye. And they're going to mix, and I'm going to turn off all the lights so it works a little better, but hopefully we get some energy. Okay, not as dark as I would like. You can still see me, which is great, but I'm hoping we can still see this. So if there's not enough hydrogen peroxide in here, I bought some at the store. I imagine that there's plenty. So I'm going to put on gloves because I don't want to get dye all over my hands. It could be harmful, which is probably why the warning says not to take them apart. And I'm wearing a white shirt, so I don't want dye everywhere. Gloves on. Okay, so I took my red capsule. I broke the top off very carefully. The first one I had kind of exploded all over. I kind of got it on film, but I'm never going to show it to you. This is what it looks like. It exploded into solution. Poor planning on Nick's part, but it was cool for Nick. So I have the exterior contents, who says that? Exterior contents of the glow stick in this cup. In this cup I have just that red vial that was in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mix the two together and I'm going to show you what happens. This is going to be chemical luminescence. It looks really red. If I stir it up a little bit, it looks actually spectacular in here. I don't think the camera can really catch it, but it is phenomenal. Look at, whoa. So that's chemical luminescence. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll think of something creative next time. Not sure I can beat this because it's cool. Also, if you decide to do this on your own and break vials, do it carefully and so they don't explode everywhere. But I'll see you next time. Don't know what we'll talk about, but it'll be something sciencey and cool for sure.